Hi, I'm Charmaine Lord, and it's Cocktail Friday, and it's also Valentine's weekend, so you know I'm back to having a little red in the drink. Time for Ginja. So I'm going to make a mojito with Ginja, and let's go. A couple wedges of lime, some sprigs of mint, mull that a bit. Then I'm going to add my Ginja, 1.5 ounces, 2 ounces of white rum. There's one in there already. And we'll do another one real quick. And then give that a good shake with some ice. And then we'll fill the highball with some more ice. Ice overboard. Strain this gorgeousness. Add some nice club soda. And because no fruit looks more like a heart, I gotta throw in some strawberries. Bang, bang. A nice little wedge of lime. With some more lime. And of course, some more mint. Give that a good stir. Yay, yay, yay. Happy Friday. Happy Valentine's Day. Love the one you're with. I'm in the Caribbean.